how to find clipboard on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find clipboard on Android in an easy way. So first things first, you can open your Notes app or anything where you can type and then type anything that you want. And once you've done that, just select the text and then you just have to copy it. Now, to see where is the clipboard and where the copied text is stored, you'll have to tap on the cross option on the right side of the keyboard. And then on the third, you will see a notebook-like option. Tap on it and there you go. All your copied text are here on the clipboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.